one more issue we're gonna fix is when you go through something, you see how, oh okay, so it doesn't do it to me, but it probably does it to you guys. Do collision test. Okay, so that's what you're probably seeing on your end. You see how it just bugs in under the camera? You can fix that by going to your spring arm and then you say do collision test. The reason why this happens is because let's say you approach something and the collision of the spring arm just stops where it's touching from that object. So let's say I have like a chair, right? The chair is right here. The spring arm detects that chair, and so it moves. Oops, what? The spring arm detects that chair, so it moves down until it's not touching it anymore. And we don't want that. We want it to just go through it without doing any collision test. So yeah, it's right here. You can just type collision test. And wait, where is it? I don't know where it went. Do collision test in camera collision. So it's camera collision, yep, right here. Alright, let's see how that looks like.